Hello guys, today I will show you how to create new model in admin panel. Firstly, subscribe my YouTube channel and let's do it. Okay guys, firstly create class, model names, class, for example, contact, models, dot, model, and field, for example, name equals field models field max length 100, for example, email equals models field max length 100, phone number models dot field max length 100, and message is text field max length, for example, 200. Okay, this is first basic model, and after register in admin py from dot model import model names, contact, admin dot site register contact, this one. Okay. And setting py not in installed app, my app's name, our app name, my app. Okay guys, firstly make migrate python manage dot py make migrate make okay, create model contact, great. After migrate applying my app 0001 initial py. Okay, great. And run server, create super user for admin panel, create super user admin, okay, admin 1 skip admin, okay. Yes, great, super user created successfully. And run server, guys, run server, click control button, okay, and /admin this one, our model contact in here, and our field name, email, phone, message here. Great guys, thanks for choosing and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Bye bye guys.